Hey guys, it's a beautiful day in Sydney today and I'm going to be going for a walk around the Long Reef Headland. In this photo here, the headland walk is pretty much around the perimeter of the green. The Long Reef Headland walk is about a 3-kilometre loop and can be joined from multiple places, including Collaroy, Long Reef Beach, or if you want to walk from Dee across the sand and join at the bottom there. For the purpose of today, I will be starting at Fisherman's Beach and then going up to the top and then finishing off at the dog park, which is Griffith Park. The fishing hut and the boat winches have been around for nearly 150 years. The Long Reef Aquatic Reserve is also the first aquatic reserve in New South Wales. Most of this walk is on concrete pathways and there is some sections of gravel. I would say all in all, it is probably a very pram or wheelchair friendly walk, but if you are coming from the Long Reef side, there are some steeper sections. I must say the Long Reef Headland walk has to be one of my favourite walks in Sydney because on one side you've got stunning views over the ocean nearly all the way around, and on the other side you've got views over the Long Reef Golf Club. The top of Long Reef Headland is a pretty popular spot for paragliding and hang gliding. It's pretty cool to stop and watch these guys sail through the air. I'm at the top of Long Reef Headland now and you can see to the north views all the way up to Palm Beach and beyond. And then out to sea, and then to the south you can see views all the way through to Manly and North Head. This is a pretty awesome spot to see some dolphins and whales in the whale migration season, and also keep an eye out for a lot of different birds you can see along this walk. Here are just a couple of the ones I spotted today. From the top you can take this path down to the aquatic reserve so you can look at the sea life in the rocks, etc. I've got the dogs with me today so I can't take them down there, but definitely worth a look. It's Monday mid-morning when I'm taking this walk, so it does look quite quiet, but it can get exceptionally busy, especially on weekends and when the weather is lovely. At the boardwalk section, you can either continue to follow the path by staying right, or you can go down on the sand if you go to the left. Dogs are not allowed on the beach, so if you've got dogs with you, you'll have to stay to the right. A section of the Long Reef Headland loop is Griffith Park, which is an off-leash dog exercise area. Last, but certainly not least, is this walking track offers stunning views of the sunrise from multiple points along the track.